Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M52, and today I'll show you how to import your contacts from the SIM card to your device. So anyway, let's get started by opening up our contacts application right over here. Then you want to tap on those three little bars and navigate to Manage Contacts. And here select Import Export Contacts, and I'm gonna select Import. It gives us a couple options where we can import our contacts from. So we have SIM or phone or cloud storage. That'll basically be your Samsung account, I believe. And I think if you're logged into your Google account, that is also an option right here. But because I'm basically not logged into anything, I'm gonna stick with the SIM. Then it will show me all the contacts that are on my SIM card. So I can simply tap on the ones that I want. If I want all of them, I can quickly select all right here. You can see they all become checked. And assuming you have way more contacts than I do, you want majority of yours as an example, but not all, you can again select all and then deselect ones that you might not want. From there, click on Done. It will ask you where you want to import those contacts to. So for me, I have the phone option as an only option. But again, if I were looking into a Samsung account or Google account, that would show up as an option right here as well. So I will be selecting phone, select import. It gives me that message that 5 contacts were imported, so you can select OK, and those contacts should be right here now. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.